another item that we put in the homes. This is known as the Vac-Pan. This is an inlet that you actually sweep into, and it will be underneath the kitchen cabinet, 24-inch cabinet. It's on a flex pipe, so it can be set up in the toe kick of the cabinet. We tie it up this way to protect it from getting damaged by any other trades that are in the home doing the rough-in work. And this is going to be a sweep location. People love them. This is an ideal item to have, because for this hard surface, for crumbs, anything that gets spilled, ideal setup. Imagine this underneath your kitchen cabinet. Now we're in the kitchen, and we want to show you the Vac-Pan. This is where you sweep the crumbs, or you spill the Cheerios, as in this case, or your coffee or salt or pepper, and you hit the lever and turns on the suction, and you can sweep all of this into it very quickly.
Now we're gonna have to edit.
Who wouldn't want that?
Simple as that.
Who wouldn't want that in their kitchen?
No dust in the house. No Cheerios on the floor.